I have fever. Great. Do you have yellow crayon? Yes, I do. This is for you, Tinkerbell. Thanks. How nice. What's that? It's red, yellow, blue, green. Hello, nice to meet you. I'm sorry. That's okay. Thanks. You're welcome. Do you have cheese? Do you like cheese? No, I don't. I like cheese. Do you like kimbap? No, I don't. Yes, I do. I like kimbap. Do you like ham? No, I don't. Wow, I like ham. I don't like you. Do you like donuts? Yes, I do. Hello, do you like chocolate cake? Yes, I do. Do you like chocolate cake? Yes, I love it. This is chocolate cake. It's very good. Okay, close the door. Thank you. Bye. Oh no. Where are you, Clint? Where are you? Here. Do you like chicken? Yes. Help yourself. Thank you. Oh, it's great. Do you have some more chicken? Yes, please. Thank you. Hello, how are you? I'm okay, thank you. Can I come in? Sure. Do you like apples? Yes, I like apples. Help yourself. Thank